Good evening, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 10:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday night, November 17, 2021. This is not financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified, as well as share the video with your friends and colleagues. We're talking about Link or Chainlink. Intraday updates on that Twitter link below. And while you're at it, click the thumbs up and let's make sure we get Link up to the top of the heap where it belongs here on YouTube. In the meantime, Link US dollar looking really, looking relatively slightly more bullish than we were yesterday. We do have this area of once resistance over here on the green line, now support, now resistance again. All right, well, what's going on? We're at 29 and change right now. This blue line that we drew yesterday is kind of the area where we think we could be at a point where we think we might have reasonable support. And if we don't have support here, which is around 28, we could be in for a significant fall. I don't think we'd fall all the way down there, but there is plenty of room here between this resistance area 27, 70, 28 down to 22 and change, or 23, maybe closer to 23, depending on when we actually fall. This is an ascending line here. And just so everyone is refreshed on what this thing really is a huge channel that's multi-year, since right after Bitcoin crashed. Not even a year had passed since all the way back then did we start this channel. It's almost like Big Bang was back here, and this thing started, and everything's been aligned ever since for Link, and no other crypto out there I can see follows this paradigm. So let's get straight back into it. Without all the excitement about Link, we should just note that we do have a fairly solid resistance here at 29.69. If we break that, we could be in for a nice little boom. This could be a small head and shoulders pattern in the making, which could easily get us back up to 31 bucks if we have this, if it actually is that inverted head and shoulders pattern. And that would probably get us to 31.44. However, we'd probably sit and have a little bit of resistance there, so there might be a pullback if this does play out to the upside. So we're going to continue to monitor that. In the meantime, going over to Link Bitcoin, clearly we're still kind of trekking down this way over the last couple of days. And it looks like we may have some support right around here. I'm going to draw that line for you, but looking like support, resistance, support, and support again. So if we do drop down below this blue line, we could be in for a drop to 44.38. The blue line is around 47.61. We're at 48.45 right now. If we do crank upward, we will have some resistance here at 52.26. Something to keep in mind. Just saying. We'll keep you posted on Twitter. In the meantime, we're going to flip to Bitcoin US dollar. Definitely. Look, here's the deal. It's been over a month. We have been over 58. We have not yet passed it. And I'm not saying even not yet as if we will. I'm just saying we haven't passed it. And maybe we will, maybe we won't. So this is kind of a tight area here. But I have a feeling, just like over here, we start going up again. And maybe, just maybe, we might actually never make it back down. And back down means going back down to 54. This is 54 range right here. If we should drop, 54 is a handle on that blue line. That blue line, just to remember, is the area of support that we've had over the past prior lows. So that if we do drop, I expect to drop there with a sharp bounce back. If we don't, even better. But if we do, I buy more Bitcoin. If we don't, I enjoy the ride up with the Bitcoin I've got. Now, let's go straight over to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is definitely favorable to altcoins. We went from 44.29 down to 43.79, a good half a point. So that means as this thing goes down, obviously altcoins become stronger relative to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's actually been going up. So it's a double thumbs up in the direction of altcoins. So altcoin gets the ride on Bitcoin, plus it gets the edge over Bitcoin with a descending Bitcoin dominance. So let's go take a look back over to Link US dollar. Again, we got to pass through 29.57. We probably see some more resistance up at 34.44. If we don't get past this, we may bounce back down, but the bounce down probably will be around 28 low 28s on the link US dollar. Anyway, I'm out. Talk soon.